Assalamualaikum guys. So hari ni my last day working in Petronas. So jom hari ni vlog bersama Ani Zahira. Okay. So my today outfit acah-acah gadis corporate gitu. Skirt, white skirt, blouse and acah-acah corporate kan. Mestilah kena pakai blazer to all. Bag pump and bag untuk letak barang-barang ke office. So hari ini kita akan pack semua barang-barang kita sebab today is our last day working in Petronas. So stay tuned, okay guys? So since hari ni hari last day I working, apa perasaan sekarang? I rasa no regret because I did the best thing, the right things, right place, right time. Let's enjoy today and kita tengok apa yang kita kena buat hari ni, okay? So korang terima kasih kepada semua yang sentiasa sokong I daripada dulu sampai sekarang. So jom kita tengok sama-sama apa yang Allah telah aturkan dalam hidup I pada masa akan datang, okay? So since dah sampai, kita nak pergi beli breakfast. Okay, so this is my first SM dekat I first year kat Petronas. So,
wow,
terima kasih Hani.
Rasa honor.
Sebab banyak mengajar I.
Okay, Zara, all the best to you. Good luck. Remember us here and we will remember you too. Okay, we will miss you.
Miss you too. Okay guys, so sekarang I dekat MPS, Menara Permata Sapura. So belakang tu KLCC to all. So nak ambil gambar memang kat sini lah yang lawanya. Yang belakang tu aku tak faham siapa yang farewell ni sebenarnya. Kenapa dia orang kecoh sangat tu? Okay, tu adalah my senior exec dan my non exec FO yang dulu. Gitu. Say hi. Bye. Apa yang kau nak cakap kat aku? Ifa,
Sudah datang lagi. Suruh kau tambah anak lagi.
weh, apa benda kau punya KPI ni? Mengajar di lagi.
Sebab dia ni lah aku masuk Petronas.
Sebab
dia interview aku.
Oh ya dah. Ya Allah. Interview dia.
Dan dia lah yang tolong aku masuk kat sini.
Rezeki kau masih di sini.
Anak biasa macam ni.
18 jadi 18. Sedih pula. Siapa pula sedih? Nangis. So hari ni kita nak pergi bridge for the last time. Okay, follow us. Okay, so ni adalah the bridge. Mengata bersama di ruang paling dalam, terlalu jauh tak bersama.
Before we start the I think as usual we'll just go around of like, you know, any farewell speeches.
Hi.
Zara is I would say she's a reflection of my own self when I was younger. So like Eva said, jovial and loud, which is very, very true. And most of the time it's like we are fearless. Many people say that we are confident, but they don't know what's inside our how many butterflies in our tummy. Actually, they don't know. But outside, we look so confident. So that is Zara. So with her character and attitude, I would say Zara, wherever we put you, you are somehow who can blend with everyone, and you take up the challenge and you can deliver what is assigned to you. So now we know that you are pursuing other priorities. Like we hope that you will manage it. It's such a waste of talent when people like you is leaving Petronas. I believe that you are the person who campak mana-mana you can survive and you can excel.
Thank you.
Good luck.
Bye. All the best. All the best.
Okay you guys, hari ni I last day working bersama Yunus. Tolong angkat barang-barang I, barang kita yang banyak tu. So bye bye Petronas, see you when I see you. Bye. Don't forget to follow and subscribe.
Gitu. Influencer kenal.
Okay Yunus tolong Yunus.
No, kau suka macam kena halau. Dia pecah.